Hey guys, Brian and Aaron here for 5 to Go. We haven't had you inside the RV in a while.
Very true.
Yeah,
Very true.
it's a wreck right now. It is an absolute mess.
Don't tell people our secrets.
This is not Instagram, guys.
No.
So we've got a big project today, and just some random stuff to talk about. So
Yeah.
let's get to it. Okay, so before we get into the episode, we do need to say thank you to RecPro, who
Indeed.
is our sponsor for today. They are why this video is happening, actually. You see these chairs here.
They're so pretty.
They're so pretty. These captain's chairs, if you've been watching the channel for at least a year, you
Yep.
saw us put these in.
They're so soft.
They're very soft here. Well,
And they're soft and they're white and they just look nice and
yeah, these are the Brisa fabric,
yes.
and they are fantastic. Notice I haven't turned around yet.
Yeah.
There's a hole.
There's a
There's a
hole.
hole. It's a
Here.
big hole. So why is there a hole?
There's a hole because we like the white fabric a lot more than what our couch came in.
Yeah.
And our couch was also like a manual pull recliner that I didn't like as much.
Yeah, and one thing that I really didn't like about it is there were no like exposed cup holders, so we always had to have the middle down,
Right.
in order to just have like a drink anywhere near the couch. And
Brian always has a beverage.
Well,
so.
So when you're in a house, you next to couches you tend to have tables or a coffee table. Like there's surfaces.
Yes.
In an RV, you have the couch. The nearest table is all the way out here in the middle, or
Right.
the countertop across the room. So to have a drink, you gotta have cup holders,
Right.
Because we don't have tables.
So the couch we had before was also a RecPro couch,
Yep.
and we liked it,
Mhm.
and we loved it, and now we want something different that has the cup holders. That is an electric,
Yes,
Um,
that's why this
the power
wire.
ones.
That's why this wire is hanging down here. There is no outlet down there. And that's actually initially why we went with the manual pull couch.
Right.
Is because there was no power down there, we were like, let's just do the manual one.
Mm-hmm.
That was a mistake. We should have just gone with the electric
We
to
should
begin
have.
with. Yeah. And I don't know why. And this is not a ding on RecPro, because they're a great company. Everyone we've met there has been awesome. We visited them this past summer while we were up there.
Mm-hmm.
Great company doing fun things, doing cool things. We love working with them.
We do.
I don't know why you would have the electric couches having exposed cup holders, but the manual couches don't. Like, you have to flip the middle thing down to have cup holders.
Yeah, I don't know.
It doesn't make sense to me. Like,
See.
I don't know why they're built that way, but that's not going to be a problem anymore.
Right, because
So-
now we have the electric one, and it comes in the pretty fabric,
Yes.
and it's the soft fabric,
Yes.
and hopefully choosing the white-ish fabric is not going to be bad with all
We were
of our
worried
children.
about it. We were worried about it
We
with
were.
the captain's chairs.
We were.
But they look great.
Exactly,
Like, these
yes.
are fantastic chairs. And I am scooting in and out of that one
All day
multiple times a day. I drive in that chair. I work from that chair. That's my desk right there. That's my chair, y'all. So I put a lot of wear onto that chair, and it is not showing any of it.
Right.
So we're hoping that the couch holds up just as well as these have, because we've had these for about a year now.
Yeah, just
And then
about.
you see this mess over here. There's a child hiding under there.
Yeah. Well,
But
that-
this is the fabric that the couch was.
Right.
This is the putty. We took this off the back just so that we have a little more room to work.
Right.
This is the putty fabric. It's nice. Like, it feels really nice. It's holding up well. We like the color, actually. We chose this color out of all of their other color options. So when we were told that those chairs didn't come in that color, we were like, oh, uh-oh. But it's worked out. So now we're going to have even more of that.
Here.
And unfortunately, the dinettes don't come in that.
Yet.
Hopefully it's yet. We haven't heard.
Yeah, no, we haven't heard.
But if they start making dinettes in that fabric, we are 100% changing to that.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Just makes everything brighter.
we've been talking a lot. Let's go yank these out of the van and see. I mean, the other couch was super easy to install, so this
Yeah.
should not be any different.
I'm excited. Let's
All
do
right.
it.
Did he draw on it?
And you zoomed right in on that spot.
Really?
So.
He drew on it? Well, if we find something that cleans it really well, we will share that with our audience. Alrighty, 3 big boxes. Here we go.
Oh, I need some scissors. Thank you, Brett.
You need scissors?
I do.
Oh, look, there's a Starlink box. Future episode?
Curious.
Curious.
Are people interested in that?
Yes.
Are people interested in internet?
Leave a comment below if you are interested in Starlink.
And you'd like to see a video about it.
Yeah. Look, I mean, this box is ridiculous. Look at the size of that thing. There's a brook for scale.
A brook for scale. Oh, it is what we thought. Okay. It's all the pluggies, because it's electric. Boogie woogie woogie.
What'd you drop? It's more cords.
More cords.
Okay, so let's figure out how this gets all plugged in. And, yep, there's a little transformer. That's what I figured. Okay, there's a plug on the back. Alright, so we'll figure this out, and we'll be right back.
Alrighty.
Alright, we figured it out. This has a very nice little connector system. Where it's got these little, you can only plug it in one way. And like that. And then it has these little brackets that snap and hold it together, which is nice because we did have issues with plugs in our last travel trailer. We had recliners that had like lights and heat and massage and stuff, and they would keep coming unplugged, which is annoying. So these are not going to come unplugged, which is nice. And also the package came with either a single or a split, so I only need one plug for that chair and the chair that's going to be over here. So I just need one outlet down there. And this is temporary wiring. I just wanted to get everything in here and see how it worked. Before doing anything permanent, I would like to find a black or a tan line to run down there. So we're going to get these plugged in, get these set up, and we'll be back. After this one is set up, we'll test it out, and then we'll bring the rest in. All right, we got to figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's plugged in. We have it spaced out from the wall, I think, where it belongs. And then we have controls here. So there's in, out, and lights.
There's a USB plug, too.
There's a USB plug, which is nice.
And then there's this, which I love, because this is a lot easier to clean than being in there.
So let's leave that on, and go ahead and run it out, see what happens.
It's very quiet.
Yeah, I can't even
hear it. It's very smooth. Oh. Oh.
Still going.
Okay, there we go.
Wow. Yep.
I'll just be here.
Okay, so are you ready for your surgery?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so it's rubbing on the wall a little bit.
So we need to come out a little bit?
Maybe? Yeah, I mean, we've got room on the floor.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
let's
leave it out like this and adjust it.
Okay.
And then we'll get the center one in, and we'll just keep on trucking. There you go.
And these are wall huggers, aren't they?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and the big difference there is if you go to a normal furniture store and you buy recliners, instead of the seat sliding out as the back goes down, the back just drops.
Right, because in a house you have space.
Yeah, so, but in here you need a wall hugger because this slides out as the back goes down, so it doesn't go back any farther. So, yeah, okay, so that's that. What are the kids doing?
They put their chairs in the box.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty, so let's
We determined many Christmases ago.
Boxes are best.
Boxes are the best gift.
Y'all know this.
All right, we had to move them because they're in the way. But what did you guys do?
We made the box our alien home.
Your alien home? Okay. Is that a TV?
Yeah. It's me and Ben as an alien, and we're holding bouquets to give it to each other.
Oh, that's cute. And then you moved your chairs in, so you have a little like home.
And then
another TV.
Need another TV.
Nice. What's going on this TV, buddy?
There's an asteroid coming.
Asteroid. Uh-oh. Do you have any alien technology to deal with that asteroid?
She says, one. Why? Because.
Why? Because? Because asteroids.
Because the asteroid's coming.
All right, we're going to move you guys over into the shade over there, and you guys can keep playing, okay?
Yeah, we can keep putting chalk on it so it can...
It's a good use for it. All right, center bottom is in full sun. So the back just kind of slides on. The center one is not powered.
No.
This one has a pull right here, like the ones we just moved on from. So this one just kind of slides in, and no bells and whistles.
Nope. So
go ahead and slide that back on. Yep, and then slide it back, or tilt it back, straight down. Oh wow, that's a lot taller. There's like more space underneath it. Is there the little crack catcher? Oh, good. They were smart. They added this piece of fabric here. Because I tell you what, controllers and all sorts of stuff falls right there.
It works.
It works. Alrighty, let's get the other big heavy dude on the left hand.
Okay.
Good. That's a lot of sunlight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you have to help with the last one.
I don't want to.
You have to.
I'm comfortable.
Okay. Well, you can be comfortable when we're done.
Okay.
That's big.
It is. I'm getting a picture for our Roadrunners. Hold on. They always get to see these things first.
Wow. That is every bit of 80 inches. Maybe just a hair over. It's fluffier than the other one.
Fluffier.
Yeah, that looks good.
Let's get a picture.
Yeah, so if you were a Roadrunner and on our Discord,
Yes, you will get to see this
you
first.
get to see that immediately.
As soon as it happens.
Yep.
That's your kind of thing.
So we might have to scoot it. There's a little bit of room over here. We might have to scoot it sideways. For those of you that are wondering, we will attach this to the floor once we have it in a position we like it in.
Right.
But for now, it's going to be moving it around and figuring out where it goes. Then we'll anchor that one and work our way this way. But we'll do that off camera. It's boring.
It is. And also, if you're wondering about the seatbelts, there are seatbelts underneath there. You probably saw them. But nobody sits here when we drive.
Yeah.
So we just leave them underneath.
Yeah, we have the kids.
The
We
kids
have
are
the
in the
two
tent.
seats on that dinette, and then Tara sat on that one.
Yep.
So, alrighty. So let's put this back together and see how the whole thing looks. Alrighty, all done.
Finished.
It looks great.
I love it. It looks
Yes.
awesome. And you can have a couch like this too.
Yeah.
If you
How?
really wanted one.
How can these amazing people have a couch like this?
5togo.com/RecPro,
Yeah.
RecPro. You get a discount.
You get a discount.
And you want a discount.
Yeah.
Discounts are awesome.
They are.
So check out 5togo.com/RecPro and see what kind of cool stuff they have. Maybe
Yeah.
you can have this couch too.
Not
If
just
you do,
furniture.
let us know.
We toured their warehouse.
We did.
What did we see?
What didn't we see?
Yeah, I think you could build an RV.
I think you could build a way. Yes. And yeah, anything that you think you might need for your RV, they have it there. So just check it out and
Tell them that we sent you.
tell them we sent you. Yeah.
All right, guys.
We'll see you in the next one.
episode.
Bye.